How do I get on TikTok so I can start selling this stuff that she sells? Yes, well, there's two ways, right? Organic and paid ads. So it depends on, how you're asking here. For the organic side, you can talk about that. And I have experience running the TikTok ads on the ad side of things. So you just have to go to the business manager for TikTok and create an account. And you can actually link your TikTok business account to it, or you can just create straight right there in the ads manager. They let you create the page or the account that you want to run the ad. So
you can't run supplements, right?
It's hard, but it's very hard. But yeah,
you haven't got a Natural Slim approved, right?
No.
Why?
I ran it for a little bit, and then they keep flagging you. They just said that it's like I forgot the exact wording, but basically like a high risk type of product.
High risk type of product. So anything political, you're not going to be able to run it there.
Right.
Supplements, they have some restrictions similar to what Facebook has. So make sure that you are advertising a product that TikTok will be okay with it, and then you can use that. In my side of the equation, which I'm a little bit more into the world of organic too, TikTok has been the fastest growing platform for some of the accounts that we manage here.
Yeah.
Dr. Berg, the way that I want to describe this is, if you have a superpower, meaning you have the ability to produce content, to educate, to give people information of value that is going to make them feel interested in your product or service, which will eventually bring you more attention, then TikTok, you have to be on that platform. And it's a big opportunity. Depending on your niche, for example, Dr. Berg is weight loss, supplements, energy, etc. He took off. His TikTok went from 0 to 500,000 in a matter of 3 months, something like that. Incredible attention. Now, he is a unicorn. His YouTube channel has 5.6 million subscribers on it. I did the same thing with my dad content, with his YouTube channel, I took his content from YouTube and I took it into TikTok, and it blew up also. It took off in a big way. We have another account, which is also Latin America, which he's also a health expert. He took off also in a big way. I have seen artists, I have seen designers, I have seen all kinds of different brands take off in a big way. I got a friend of mine who's been a follower for many years. He hasn't been able to take off on Facebook or Instagram or anywhere, but he started doing a TikTok channel talking about health and fitness. Fitness is his thing, going to the gym and different work routines, and he took off and went viral. Artists, people like 𝗟𝗘𝗥𝗡, for example, he doesn't take off in other places.
Your friend from Puerto Rico, the doc, he has like the acupuncture, same thing. He started doing organic content on TikTok.
And starts taking off.
Taking off.
So it is the opportunity right now to leverage a platform that is just getting started, and people are consuming the content, and it's going to help you attract attention. So if you can be on that platform, you should jump all over the opportunity. If you are a content unicorn, if you're somebody that knows how to provide value, how to educate, how to nurture, how to provide step-by-step instructions on how to resolve your body, then you definitely want to be a part of TikTok. Resolve your body, resolve your conditions, resolve, beauty, designing, acupuncture, chiropractics. Doesn't matter what that is. You want to be a part of TikTok because it's going to help you get more results.
And as going back to the question, as a business owner on TikTok, you want to be sharing behind the scenes. So you're shipping. How do you maybe choose your jewelry accessories that your question was about? Like anything that you can do with behind the scenes, and it doesn't have to look like an ad. It's just like you're letting people into your world. That kind of content works really well.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.
And leave us your comments down below so that we can get to them on the next episode.
All right.